Hello, myself Bacha Varshali. Today we will learn about a priori algorithm. This is the most common and popular algorithm for generating or creating the strong association rule. Then the objective of a priori algorithm will be to find the subset and that common and for minimum number for this algorithm. That means the objective will be to find the frequency of each item set. Then in this a priori algorithm, we can generate the two steps. Then first step will be the join step and another step will be a prune step. In this join step, to generate the candidate of k item set. That means their number of item set will be generated and then calculated for each item set and their frequency. This frequency, which is also called as the support count, that means each item set and then value will be when value will be calculated, this is also known as the support count. Then another step will be a prune step. Prune step, that means removing the k item, removing the item set. That means those candidates are satisfying the minimum support threshold value. The value are frequent and therefore belongs to the k frequency of item set. That means in this prune step, when some specific condition will be occurred, support is greater than equal to mean sub for their first step. In this first step, support when satisfied the support is greater than equal to mean sub, then we can prune it, or then this item set will be a removed from their data. Then we will continue on another example for a priori algorithm.